Hey, welcome back to the channel. Out here with the horses and reflecting on our visit to Motorhomes of Texas. We were looking for a pre-dev coach and they had so many choices to look at. We looked at Monaco's, we looked at Foretravels, we looked at the Allegro bus there that was in impeccable shape for 2010. And we also looked at some that do have def because, hey, why not? With that said, we saw some coaches there that, well, are way out of our price range. However, amazing. If you ever been inside a Foretravel realm, you gotta take a look. You ever been inside a Newell? Wow. So come along with us and see what we saw in these amazing luxury coaches and see how the other half lives. So as we're walking up here, you have a Newell, which is definitely outside of our price range. You ever been inside a Newell? They've been up in Arkansas or Oklahoma, I can't remember. They are unbelievable, but this Newell, wow, this thing's a beast. Sort of follows the same idea as Foretravel.
Oh.
You gotta push the button. Well, you can do that.
Button.
You got it.
This button?
Yes.
Will it go now?
No, just pull it open now.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's
Go ahead. Get ostrich. Oh, doing a little cleaning here.
Dishwash.
I think this just came in.
Maybe so. One sink.
I do like the desk they have here.
Oh, that's nice.
Blacked out Fisher. This is a 2-burner induction. This is one piece. Oh, just a small sink, but deep. And you can always tell a Newell by the curve. They do a lot of curves. This is a refrigerator. It's probably locked. There's a lock somewhere.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, that's a washer and dryer.
Let's come over here. Look at the room in here. Honey, come stand between the bed and this area over here. Show the room here. Look at the room between the TV, not much room for storage over there, and the bed. But like a dance floor in here.
I mean, how many times have you had to
Oh,
get by the bed?
Now, of course, when the slide comes in, it's gonna be a different story.
Well, yeah, but
Workmanship in here.
I guess this doesn't come up. Oh, that TV goes down.
Yeah, the televator.
Elevator, yeah.
Almost like a Kandinsky over there. Look at the little side cubbies.
Well, that's cool.
Oh, this is soft.
I like the light. Lights
Back here.
and the screen, I guess, is to control things, I'm guessing.
Yeah, that's your touchpad. Control all the systems. Take a look at the bathroom here.
Oh, nice.
I think this has, remember correctly, should have cedar lined closet.
Yes.
Oh yeah, look at that. Cedar lined closet inside.
Here's the other one.
So this is how the other half live. Honey, you think you're full-time in this? You even got a hamper.
I don't know. It would be roughing it.
They'd be roughing it. Wow. This thing is beautiful. Yes.
Wondering about that.
What's in here?
I didn't even look in there.
Little tchotchke items put in there, adjustable shelves. Here's one pantry. Kind of interesting design shelves, make it fit. Another one here.
Okay.
Getting into this, I don't understand. There's a lock. Oh, no, there you go.
Oh, that's the refrigerator?
Yeah, it says refrigerator. Yeah. Check out how that's built right in.
It's very nice.
Yes. Oh, did we chase her out? I'm sorry. I feel
Yeah,
bad.
I guess we did. Let's get out of here so she
Let's
can
get
come
out.
back in.
But look, before we leave, take a look at this driver's area, people. Could you imagine driving this thing down the road? Sitting in your ostrich leg seats, big screen in front of you, carbon fiber dash.
It's starting to rain.
You have the Garmin up here. Oh, there's the other Allegro bus I was looking for.
Just go look at the Allegro bus then.
Well, we got at least got to take a look at this Newell if it's open.
How do you? Oh my.
That's how you do it.
Wow. So that's where that goes.
And then you
Just
push this
clean it
button
in
right
the
here to close the door. Look at that. Air close the door. You hear the compressor come on.
So you still, I would of course rather have recliners, but
Oh,
I
good.
like having the desk, actually. I think that's kind of nice.
Yeah, the desk is nice. Let me get a quick shot of this front right here. Take a look at this. In the driver's area. I know everyone likes to see the driver's area. This does move. This is a little drink area. You move around in the coach.
I know this isn't your favorite, but I like it. Especially if there's just two of us.
Just two of us have the dinette, and that table does swing out and move. A lot of rounded cabinetry. Do have locks on them right here, so they don't open going down the road. That's a waste of space right there, honey. We don't drink coffee, but it's a built-in coffee maker.
Oh, that's
It's
nice for most people.
Behind this door here, which I can't open. There we go. Oh, there's your heat controls.
Interesting.
Dual zone heat. Even this is. You have material in the cabinet so the dishes don't
induction?
rattle.
I'm guessing this is induction?
Yeah, that's induction cooktop. Look how fancy this induction cooktop is right here. It's turned gallery light, gallery counter, slide ceiling.
Something to do with this, I would imagine.
That's your dishwasher.
It must be locked.
I don't think so. You just have to pull it.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
Fisher.
Like it.
But this is a 3-burner induction cooktop.
That is too cool.
That is too cool. Samsung. You got another control panel here.
I like the
You know, the
funky
pants-
shapes.
You like the funky shape?
Shapes, I do. Oh, I can't get that. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Can't get this one open. Okay, got it.
You gotta pull. Sub-Zero. No wonder.
Oh, this is nice.
Now look at the little tray it comes out.
I do love that. Love that.
Adjustable shelves.
Cute little half bath. With a little medicine cabinet. Oh, storage. That's too cool. Love it. Love it.
You have not had a chance to go in some of these Newells. Foretravel has the same thing. I want you to stand on the other side right there. Stand on the other side of the door.
Uh-huh.
Just stay right there and face me. You ready?
Yeah. Cool.
And I'm gonna push door open.
Nobody can get to you. Okay, what if you lose the power?
You can manually open it.
This is
Washer and dryer.
This is a downside for me.
All the mirrors.
Stuff to clean.
The last new one had the same thing. It had mirrors on all the cabinets. Luckily, we don't have kids anymore. It'd be fingerprints all over it. As far as
More
the
than
age.
fingerprints. Yeah, hopefully not as bad.
And lucky for us, we're short. Otherwise, I think they could decapitate somebody. Go stand underneath this fan.
Interesting.
Lucky we're short. I mean, I'm 5'6". Somebody get hurt by that thing.
This I do like. This is cool. This is cool.
Yeah, Newell having the 2 cubby holes on both sides.
I like it.
I guess I should have turned those lights on. Question is, how many different buttons you got to push to get
It's a little wardrobe.
spare, then reading lights on. There you go.
That's nice.
It is so nice in here. Oh, these cabinets are up here too.
Oh, I didn't even see.
Little cabinet. Another one built in the wall right here.
But this is a hamper. It is. Closet. Cedar closet. Cedar lined. Another one over here, I'm guessing. Just like, oh, this is cool. I bet you don't know, but I like it. Are there drawers here? Well, maybe not.
Yeah, probably.
Looks like a handle, but
So don't break it.
it doesn't have a thing to push. I wonder if that's it. Oh, it's like down. See that?
Oh, it's been broken.
Broken.
That's it. They end up taking this thing home. So you get inside this Newell here and she breaks it and they have to buy it now. And that's what happens.
Oh, yeah. It's all part of my plan.
It's all part of your master plan. I know you're evil that way. Lots of storage with a lot of mirrors.
Yeah, a lot of fingerprint.
It's electric. Never mind. That's why. Nice shower.
Mhm.
This has same thing back here. So, door closed.
And it's a mirror.
Well, it's a mirror on that side. Well, the mirror on the other side too.
Oh, lovely. Okay, that's a negative.
Very nice. Nice and cool in here too on a hot day. My only challenge, I don't think there's enough storage for full-time living. Silver button right here.
This one?
Yes.
That's kind of cool. I like the curved stairway too.
Curved stairway, yes. Love it.
Okay.
Not exactly where-
Doorbell. It has a doorbell.
Does have a doorbell, yes.
Couldn't hear it.
The camera right here too.
Okay. Like it.
Okay, we came over here to look at the Allegro bus and the Integra. Nice stuff, but we got sidetracked by the Newell. Look at the layout of this Newell right here with this Cummins. I'm sorry, I'm messing with you again. I love the way that thing's laid out. Something like that. Look at that fan for the side radiator. Wow. 600 horsepower. Thing's a beast. So I might have been in trouble. Debbie found herself a realm, a presidential realm from Foretravel.
Oh,
What do you think,
it's
honey?
a tub.
Yes. A lot of them comes with tubs.
Well, this is one of them that comes with the tub.
With a TV up there. Look. TV
Oh
up
my
above.
goodness, how cool is that?
Well, they're starting to lock things up, so we need to go look at the
Let's do
Fleetwood.
it. Okay, that's it.
Because I know you get a serious case of the wands.
Yeah.
They are beautiful, these realms.
It's not the storage I would hope for though.
Let's see, this have the, yep.
This
See?
is the bunk.
I know. The bunk's up here.
Uh-huh.
And same thing here, it has the door behind you.
Oh, okay. Well, let's not worry about that. Let's
Okay.
turn the lights off and get.
You turn the lights.
I did turn the lights on because it was dark.
Look at the inside of this
It's
thing.
beautiful.
Now, the only problem with the Fleetwood we're going to look at is that it has an A&M sticker on the back.
Oh no.
But these are all Foretravels here, including 2 realms. These are all Newells. This entire line is all Newells. There's a Mountain Air over there. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this video. I guess it's a short video, and our main purpose of going to Motorhomes of Texas is to look at pre-def coaches in our price range. But when we're there, you got to take a look at these luxury coaches. They are just so beautiful. So we hope you enjoyed the video. One little snippet here at the end will show you how close the Foretravel manufacturing plant is. It's just down the road, just south of this location. So take a look at that. And we're Bouken's Adventure. We hope to see you out on the road. So we leave their secondary lot, or I guess the new lot, across the street. On the east side of 59 is the main location of Motorhomes of Texas. And look how dirty the windshield is. It's probably not doing us any good. See if it helps there and makes it worse. And you can tell it is rush hour time. Look at all the cars coming. We'll sneak out right here. Time to go, time to go. Whee! Like I say, you can climb the hill right here. And as soon as you crest the hill, you look to your right. So I think so. You can be a liar. Right here at the bottom of the hill is Foretravel. Douglas Road.
Okay. Can't really see it
Yeah, we'll be here in a second.
yet.
Here we go. Here is the facilities where they built Foretravel. RV stations across the road, but there we go. Foretravel. Price is the answer. I'll get off here because I need to fix my drink. But this is the manufacturing facilities for Foretravel. This is the main facility. Look at all those new realms over there. Brand new realms. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous coaches. They're already shut down for the day. I'll put a link to the video of the realms we looked at down at the Tampa RV show. Here's a realm FS6 Presidential Series. I think it's gorgeous. Here's an FS605. Look at this blacked out 605 here. Blacked out wheels, honey.
Oh wow.
Well, they make a Super C too. I love the blackout wheels on that one. Let me roll down this window to get a better look. Here's egress door, 4 slide. electronic door locks. Got the blacked out wheels, black custom paint. That thing is gorgeous. I don't even know how. Maybe there's a price on it. Maybe go look. Let's go find out. This is definitely way out of our price range, but look at this beautiful coach. Wow. It's a 2025 on sale, $949,817. 605 horsepower X15 Cummins. That's a beast right there. 20,000 pound towing capacity, 4 slides. Chair length is 84 inches here. 120 gallon water tank, 200 gallon fuel tank. What a bath and a half. What a gorgeous coach. Of course, this Super C is not bad right next to it, but we're not Super C people. But blacked out wheels. Love this thing. Big X15 Cummins back here. This beast. How about RV? FS605. Wow. Beautiful.
If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button and like button. We appreciate your support.